Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko alam ko ang galing-galing ko.
Sabi ko sa'yo, pang kuweba ka lang. Lagi nakatago, hindi pwedeng nilalabas.
Hi!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Ayan,
may humagpas na kanina naman.
We are now here at Mount Batulaw and it's raining right now.
Yeah, we're here at Mud Island.
And we are done with the mudslide.
We no longer call ourselves the Packers.
We're professional mudsliders.
Yeah, we now call ourselves the Sliders.
He is the champion!
And the grandfather of all slides. Woo!
Here's the top 3!
Top 1, then top 2, top 2,
Kawai!
then top 3.
Pakita mo yung mga pet at talikod.
Okay. This one. Oh my God! Okay, yung mukha. I'm slide. Okay. Okay, guys. Woo! It's beautiful here. Unfortunately, it's raining.
Pero maganda dulas niya, hindi agad siya lang kayo.
Anong bagat?
Ayun, pag hindi ka nadulas,
Ang ganda mo pala,
hindi ka
Oren.
natuyo.
Here's our guide. What's your name?
Ako tawag.
Elmer.
Okay lang yun. Relax. Tagal.
Ano din sa...
And we call ourselves the Backpackers.
Hi guys!
Okay, name muna, name guys.
Lester!
Lester.
Jonas!
Hi, I'm Jen! MJ!
Nico!
Sabrina!
Eric!
And yours truly, June Villegas.
Pangit!
Eric ko! Eric ko yun.
Eric! Di sila si Eric!
Guys, it's more fun in the Philippines.
It's more fun